Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, Toncoin, and then we're ending with ADA at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Okay, there's a very strong rally that came on for BTC. We are... Okay, if you count very carefully, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Right, we're still expecting a potential correction though. So if and when the correction comes, I mean, we might still go a little bit higher to hit the resistance first before coming back down. And if and when we come back down, I suspect that we will be clearing this and these two lows. Do you see this? Do you see this? Yeah, I think we'll probably be clearing these two lows. We'll sweep these lows, and after that, we go back up. Either from here, or we go up a little bit, and then we come back down. Right? So either one. We're expecting either one to happen. And if and when we complete the right shoulder, whether it's going to be in either August, September, or it happens here, we're expecting a nice right shoulder over here as we head towards potentially 95,000, right? So we still want to see the right shoulder first. We're still in a consolidation accumulation phase for BTC. We are liking what we see, but we still think that there will be a dip, right? So this might be the final dip before the breakout. We have been in an accumulation consolidation phase for the better part of 131 days. That's 4 months for you. So yeah, I still think that there will be a dip coming on for a proper right shoulder. It's either we're going to go up a little bit first before getting the right shoulder, or we start dropping from here. So either one of this is going to happen. So be very, very careful. Okay, I can say it's going to happen. More likely than not, we will see a retrace. So we're still anticipating that retrace to come for BTC. Okay, let's say for example, right, if this doesn't happen and we break out towards the upside, it's still wiser to wait for a retrace first. We might just retrace towards the support line over here. So it depends upon the situation. I would, to be honest, prefer a proper right shoulder over here. But again, I'm not the wheel. I'm not the one pushing and pulling the price. So we'll have to take it one step at a time. Ethereum against BTC is not looking too good in the sense that BTC is regaining its dominance. This whole thing looks like a descending triangle to me. So descending triangles usually head lower. But at the same time, this can also morph into a falling channel, right? If the preceding trend is bullish, the subsequent trend could be bullish as well. So we're still anticipating BTC to break the skinny pink line. We have been under the skinny pink line ever since breaking it. Where was this? In the 15th of March 2023. April, May, June, July. 4 months. Same thing, right? That BTC has been in a consolidation. 4 months we have been under the skinny pink line. When are we going to be breaking it for real? Not too sure. So yeah, our hope is that this low holds, right? And we start forming higher lows. And then we start getting higher highs. Right, we go up, maybe retrace, higher low, and then another higher high. Oh, this will be great. This will be great. So the first clue is that we break the skinny pink line, if and when that happens, right? Because there is still the possibility that FBTC could hit lower, right? And we could still get this big ABCDE, right? This could still happen. So we gotta be very careful. We need to see confirmation first, right? Break above the skinny pink line, stay above it, continue higher. Break above the skinny pink line, we actually mucked around a little bit. Go up, and down, and yeah, we actually did, to be honest, stay above the skinny pink line. It acted as proper support before, breaking it for real here, right? We went up, and that's it. We have been down ever since. So yeah, we need to see this break above, consolidate. So we need to see that break above and a consolidation, right? That's for FBTC. F against USDT. Here we are for Ethereum. Okay, so for Ethereum, we are still not entirely sure whether it's going to be an ABCDE like this, or we're going to be seeing new all-time highs, right? The difference between Ethereum and BTC is BTC has already taken out the highs over here, right? The kind of move that you want to see is a taking out of the all-time highs and a consolidation above the all-time highs, right? Wherever the highs is, it may not be the all-time high, but you want to see a consolidation above it before a continuation. right? This high is still intact. This high is still intact. So again, we are still hoping for the inverse head and shoulders to come for ETH against USD. On some, it may not be an inverse head and shoulders, right? This is actually a lower low. On some, it's, you know, you can call it a rectangle if you want to. Still, it's a consolidation chart pattern. And if the preceding trend is bullish, we're expecting the subsequent trend to be bullish. But at the same time, this could already be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We may not take out the highs over here. So that's the danger for ETH. BTC is already clear. It's already up. Ethereum, no. There is another coin that's also up. That coin is called BNB. What's up, CZ? So for BNB, okay, this looks bearish though. Right. Mountains, 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 mountains. We could be heading back under the scalping line. Don't really like what I see. This is a possibility. Will it happen? Okay, we're not too sure. But we're above it though. So as long as we're above the scalping line, we remain with a bullish bias for BNB BTC. BNB against USDT has already taken out the highs over here. Right. But Ethereum has yet to. BNB has already taken it out. So that's why the kind of move that you want to see is we take out the highs, poop, and then we consolidate a little bit before continuing higher. Anyway, for BNB, we have targets over here, 1,240 and 1,566. So we've still got a long, long way to go for our BNB. And we are still clearly above the skinny pink line. So a continuation is expected from BNB eventually towards the upside. It may not be that obvious on the BTC pair, but on BNB USD, yeah, we are still expecting a consolidation break towards the upside. Solana, Sol against BTC, suddenly out of nowhere. Buying pressure coming in. Oh. Anyway, we're above the skinny pink line. So again, as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Solana against BTC. USD is also above. And okay, just like Ethereum, Solana has yet to take out the highs over here. So there is a real possibility that this could be a 1, 2, holding is a 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. This whole thing could just be a 4. And then we go out for a 5. Completing the B wave, the big B wave, right? So it could be something like this. You see, that's the danger. That's the danger. So again, what we want to see is just like BNB and BTC. Take out these highs. Zoop. Consolidate a little bit before continuing higher. Right, but we're still under it. So this means that I just don't know whether if the Solana whales have enough gunpowder in them, right? Enough bullets to push the price higher. We're gonna have to wait and see. Sol against USD has also started flipping bullish, and we have a target fresh out of the oven at $271. So this will be taking us to a new all-time high. So you see that this is a symmetrical triangle, and yeah, we're kind of breaking out. There's a danger that things could also fail, right? Even when things fail, let's say for example, we clear these two highs. This whole thing could become a head and shoulders. A failure could spell a bearish season for Solana against USD, right? But we're above the skinny pink line, so we are still going to remain with a bullish bias. So $271 is still being expected. This looks to me like a ABCDE in the making. So we're still waiting for that wave E to come. Right, so if and when the wave E comes, we have yet to take out this high. So if and when the wave E comes, yeah, we're expecting breakout towards 271. Right, but watch out for the skinny pink line. Not everything is, you know, all clear for Solana. So yeah, you gotta have a proper risk management if you want to put on trades for Solana. But the target is clear, 271. XRP! So for XRP against BTC, we are seeing some sort of a rally, right? But this is a higher high, so I don't really like it. We're going to have to wait and see how things turn out for XRP against BTC. But there is a real possibility that, yeah, I'm just going to keep reminding you that there's a real possibility that XRP could be collapsing all the way back down towards the lows over here, right? Because this looks to me like a very gigantic head and shoulders XRP BTC. But on the flip side, on the bullish side of things, okay, if you look at XRP against USD, right, we were saying that once you take out these highs over here, we will consider XRP to be flipping bullish, right? Take out these highs. So we've already taken it out. And now, yeah, so this is the kind of move that we want to see. Take out the highs and then just consolidate a little bit before continuing higher. We want to see this kind of move, right, happen for XRP next. Anyway, for XRP, yeah, we've already taken it out, so we're going to consider these two targets to be invalidated. So we're going to look at XRP from a bullish perspective. TA Bitstamp. Okay, because Bitstamp has more data. XRP against USD on Bitstamp, the bullish scenario. Ta-da! Okay, a fresh target out of the oven at $6.10, which means that we're expecting XRP to break higher. Right now, XRP is at 59 cents. This will be a 10x for XRP. Again, flip on your bullish lenses, right? Take out the bearish glasses, put on the bullish glasses, and you will see that this is potentially A, B, C, D, E. You see this? You see this? A, B, C, D, E. This whole thing could be an E, right? This strong rally confirms that possibility that XRP could be heading towards $6. Not just $6. I think we're probably going to overshoot it. Always remember that the width of the accumulation is usually equivalent to the height of the rise. So we could be breaking into double digits, but let's take things one step at a time. Let's talk about $6 first. We're probably going to go close to $10 or $7 or $8 or $9, but you know, when the time comes, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. But for now, yeah, we'll focus on $6. So yeah, and focus on also getting a nice entry. So that's why we were saying previously, take out the highs, good. Consolidation, great. Some selling happening, absolutely great. We want to see ABC, right? We might go a little bit lower though. So there are two levels that I'm looking for. One is around here, right? It is a very noisy area, right? At the same time, this is also a very, very noisy area. You can pull out the Fibonacci retracement, right? And XRP, you might stop at 0.5 though. Again, we're not entirely sure. We're not entirely sure. So these are the two levels we're looking at. Right, we might clear these lows first. Right, we will take things one step at a time. So yeah, hopefully the whales are kind enough to give us something that we can recognize. A falling channel or even a bearish sharp pattern over here. We'll probably derive targets out of it. But as it stands, we would love to go long on XRP, but we want to time our entries as accurately as possible because we also want to apply risk management, and we also are aware that XRP could still go wrong, right? This might be the next cycle though before we hit. Let me tell you why. The reason being there are two strong resistance areas over here. So first we have to take out these highs. Second, we have to take out these highs. Right. It's going to be a lot of work. So stage 1, we might consolidate here a little bit. Stage 2, again, consolidate a little bit. So it could be a very long, drawn-out move, right? I mean, if we got something like this for XRP, right? Absolute bananas for XRP. This would be awesome. Within like, I don't know, 2 months, we rise up thousands of percent. Yeah, this would be awesome. So we don't know yet how this is going to be. So we want to be positioned accordingly for XRP. And yeah, again, right now we're flipping bullish for XRP and we're expecting $6.10 to be hit. Dogecoin! Hey, what's up, Elon? Are we doing anything with the payments? Is it getting integrated? Okay, for Dogecoin against BTC, we're still skinny incline. This is bad. Right, again, we broke above, but we failed to stay above. Came back down. Break above, failed to stay above the skinny incline. Now we're down again. So what's the story, Morning Glory? Any sort of no. You want to see a break above it, staying above it, and yes, continuation for Dogecoin against BTC. We want to see something like this, right? So yeah, and we have quite a clear resistance line over here. So first step is we break above the skinny pink line, hang around a little bit, break the resistance line, hang around a little bit, break the highs. So you see there are many stages to this boss level fights, First boss is here, right? No, sorry. First boss is the skinny pink line. Second boss is the high here. Third boss is the resistance line. Fourth boss is the high over here. Then, of course, the final boss is over here. So I'm not so sure if in this cycle XRP could, kill all the bosses. It might take some time though. Sorry, Dogecoin. That's what I'm talking about. Dogecoin against USD. We are both back above the skinny pink line, which is great. Are we gonna stay above the skinny pink line? I don't know. I still see weakness on the BTC pair though. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. We are not even 0. Are we? Okay, but we're probably at 0.5. Yeah, we're almost there at 0.5. So yeah, we need to rise up a little bit though. Maybe to 786. But as it stands, we're still not entirely sure. For DOGE USD, we could still be heading back under the skinny pink line. So to me, this is still, it could still go both ways. Right, I still can't see the bullish perspective of this. Maybe a falling channel here, right? And then break higher. But again, if I were to put on a trade, right, for DOGE USD, I will be late. I will still have to wait for more confirmation first, right? A clearer consolidation, clearer bullish chart pattern. So yeah, that's my take for Dogecoin. Dogecoin! Toncoin! Ton against BTC on CoinEx. Okay, it's losing some dominance against BTC, right? Because you already notice that it's sort of high, dropping lower. How much lower are we gonna go? We don't know. Are we still above the skinny pink line? Yes. Could we still continue higher? Of course. As long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain with a bullish bias for Toncoin against BTC. Against USD, Toncoin is still bullish. So maybe we clear these lows and these lows first. But it's important that we stay above the skinny pink line though. Right. Maybe we clear these two lows. And after that, we consolidate a little bit before continuing higher. We are still loyal to the target at 1350. No invalidation has occurred yet. Invalidation means we go back under $2. We're at $7. So we are closer to 13 than we are to 2. So, I mean, percentage-wise, right? From 7 to 2, it's about 69%. From 7 to 13, okay, no, we are closer. We're closer to 2. But percentage-wise, we want it to be up rather than down, right? 90% more towards the upside for Toncoin. So yeah, more upside is to be expected. Even when things turn bearish, you will start seeing strong selling pressure, as evident over here, right? Selling, you see, long wicks to the bottom, long wicks to the bottom, long wicks to the bottom. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. But Toncoin is, we're not too sure how much lower it's gonna be dropping to before a reversal. ADA against BTC. So if you look at ADA, hey, what's up, Charles? Charles, IOHK Charles. So for ADA against BTC, again, very big ABCDE potential. Of course, we must not be taking out these lows. The moment we take out these lows, that's it. But if we start reversing here, hey, ho. This could be ADA going bananas against BTC. This is against BTC. It's even more crazier. So will that happen? Again, we're not too sure. We're hoping though that this could be a wave C. Close to the end of a wave C. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. ADA against USD. So ADA against USD is still not that obvious. We've already taken out the lows over here. We've hit targets over here previously. Now we are... Yeah, we're still under the skinny pink line, which is not good. Right, we still need to break back above the skinny pink line for us to consider ADA to be in a bullish state. We're still in a bearish state, right? Which means that we could still continue lower for ADA against USD. So yeah, ADA is a no-go for the moment. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!